Hey, what's up? Uh, Summary context. Fine. Nag-summer class ko for 2 months. Basically, maghimo mig documents na himo na mong basis for our system. And that's the reason why I've been gone for 2 months since congested kayo ang schedule na mo. We had to make progress every day. Else we'd lose. Ma-build if dito mo man. So anyways, karon recently these past few weeks I've been learning Laravel because man among gamiton. So without further ado, I don't wanna talk or yap too much. I know it's gonna be boring kay mutan ako video na tutorial and just apply it to my con. Okay? Long hair.
Hey developers, welcome back. So guys, in this video using Laravel Sanctum. Okay, so the video is here guys, and this video link is provided in the description. Okay.
Okay.
So it's a simple step guys. Just you have to enter above. I will
manang installment, so murag magkuan na lang ko. But confused ko sa part kay kung pag-install ako ay pag-generate na ako ng API naman siya yung code sa Laravel. Pag-generate na ako sa API, ni-apply siya Laravel Sanctum. Pero ang katong wala pa ako nagamit sa API. Normal na siya, wala siya Sanctum. Authorization na normal na middleware, but this one is a bit different.
Named login. Okay, and this auth controller, make sure you are importing your correct auth. So which is inside the API folder, then auth controller. Perfect. So now guys, let us copy and paste again for the register, and the function also will be register. And then guys, for the logout and profile, you can just let me create a middleware. So route : middleware.
So since API man no.
Here we go, and
controller. Now user control.
Middleware will be this.
Class
Sanctum. And guys, let's copy this route and paste here. If it's not visible, let me zoom it. And here you'll mention log out. Copy and paste for the logout function. Copy and paste again. And here we'll be getting our profile and profile. And the method for login and register will be like post. Okay, so post of login, post of register.
Wait nga na yung post. Be so confusing, brother. So auth.sanctum gamit kag middleware niya katong authorization pero Sanctum, then group ka yung function suit sa group Laravel PHP guys. And if ilak context, i-search lang ninyo unsa ni. But yes, PHP might be old, but Laravel keeps it on par with everything. So ano man anong profile man you know what, kapoy. So ikaw si profile, logged out man ka. Ano? Ay, sana log out. Pero ano yung i-post? Oh, post kit. Backend ba niko guys? I'm a backend. It's not my job to handle views. I just receive, process data.
Post of logout and profile only will be get. So now guys, let's go to the auth controller and create the login code. Yep, let's begin. Public function, the function name login.
Nag-take on guys.
So guys, when you're
controller,
setting a
basically ang controller, usually this is where you put your functions, you process stuff. Itong route API mo route siya, let's just say something that redirects you somewhere. In this case, i-send niya diri sa controller. So anyways,
login request using a post method, you
log ki siya basta mag-record og public function will have as long as we can figure out what the fuck this is. A public function login, so may kailangan login, assuming magdawat mo gina siya, since post man magdawat kina siya kuan input, diba? So I think mo gamit tag request, then man siyang variable. So sudo mo na siya, imagine na daghan na siya sudo data. Pero ano yan, mag-watch at sa instructions.
You'll be sending some requests, which means
some
the
request.
input fields. So you have to get the request, $request,
and
this will be always in JSON format.
Oh yeah, what?
I'll be sending and getting it. Okay, response.
Yung JSON.
Hit enter and just import this class, guys. And now let's begin with validating $request of validate function.
Kaya na,
and open and close. So we will be entering only the email. Let's write the validation code. It is required email.
Basically guys, akong job is I receive a request and I create this code. I receive a request, I process the code, I return a response. So validate. Yung style kay sakto ni. Una, ay mo siya i-validate. You have to make sure that the user inputted the correct inputs. Pwede sa password, pwede rin, you can put that required, of course. Required. I think pwede sa to anana. Kaduwatan pwede ka mo guys, technique. Don't be too dependent on AI. Don't be like me. Yes. Kinatan na rin sa dere. At tara sige na ba? Kasi properties na consider siya na valid or ma-invalidate sample. Wala siya input niya, required invalidated siya, required mo siya niya, wala siya input. Pero pwede rin siya niya mag-block sa front end, pero kala ba dapat magid front end ug back end, di mo bantayan. So anyways, try to unique. That's not much.
Max of 255 and the password next. Write the validations required. It's a string. Minimum 8, max 255. Okay, so once the validation is done, you're checking for the user model : where condition of first record you'll be getting it. So here you'll be checking for the email. Okay, so what is the email, guys? It's from this request of email. So give comma $request of email, and you need to import the user model. So let me import it. So app model user. So here is the model, guys. And now, so once you find the email, you have to check if it is matching with the password or not.
So
Okay,
auth
not
attempt.
user. Okay, if he doesn't have a user, or not checking for the hash password, hash : check function. Okay, so let's import this class first.
So, guys, I'll have to get something first. I've noticed nawag tanga tong iconic keyboard, but I haven't used that since summer. I'll be back. Alright, I got my keyboard with me. Ito na yung audio line. If user ma-return ng false siguro na, or sa mani at so
Import class, and let me just show you.
isa to hash check di ta na bas areta magpanos. Wala din ako import ng hash. Mo ba?
Let's import this class first. Import
What? How?
class.
Sa extension
Let me
nila.
just show you. So this is the
I need that maybe. I'll do that later. Basically, muna na siya like may convert ang ka.
class, guys. And here the first parameter will be request of your entered password. Okay, and then you'll be getting the stored password of your user stored password. Okay, so once it's done, you can return response function JSON format array and type the message, and the message will be the provided credentials are incorrect. Okay, and just send that 401. Okay, so it is like, yeah, unauthorized. So once you have the correct details, you will be creating the token. So $token equal to $user, which create token function. So to access this create token function, guys, you have to add a trait in your user model. So let's go to the user model. Let's
pwede naman dito hash. Pwede mo gawin na to. Or if user, wala man ako i-hash yung password dito. Testing lang the user. Delay siya user. If false ang return sa user. Or first or failed, find or failed. Or ang iyang password dili pagkaparehas. Yung credentials too much.
Move. So it's inside app model user.php, and here you have the trait, guys, that is has
a API to. Sa Sanctum
API token. So this is very important to create a REST API, okay, with authentication or without authentication. So now, guys, yep, it's there, and it will call your create token. So let's use $user of name and concatenate with auth -token. Okay. So guys, basically you are giving the token name here. Okay, so you can just use any random string values or anything. So I am using the username and static string to create the token name. Okay, and then
that's
this
a dot,
token will
right?
be in a plain text
concatenate
token. Okay, so guys, if you want to know from where I have taken this or copied this, you can just find that in the Laravel API documentation, how to create a token. So this is the syntax, guys, so I'm using that.
New Jollibee mix and match combos, now with 6 mains and 6 sides. Starts at 75 pesos.
So now, guys, let us return response in JSON format array, and here you have to return with 200. Like, yeah, it is success, and the message you can show login successful. And the token also, like your token type will be BEARER, and the token is $token. Okay, so this token you are sending it. That's it, guys. So our login code is ready, and now, guys, let's begin with registration, because I don't have any user. So first we have
Laravel Sanctum. So mag-use of token Dukai. Post tokens create function request. Abilities. When handling an incoming request, token can Kani ba middleware ang ganang? Ability mod property. Snack time para di mabogo. Okay. Kanya ba? Ano yung ganaan sa documentations? Basa ka documentation? Naman na info. Ang problema, kalabot bakal disulti. Ayan eh. Mag-bounces pa. Ba? Oh, by the way, avocado as candy. It's like eating ice cream. Quiet. Nakabigyan mo lahat. Ginahuna na ako. Login. Get profile info. Only if nakay authentication. Hindi ka basa-basa ng code data o wala o kakasasod. Oh, bana.
Have to create with register itself. So let me just continue with creating the register code, public function, the function name, register, and the return.
Oh, yung ibalik ang sorry, abang. Guys, mag-refill ako. Round 2.
Type will be our JSON response itself. So you can just copy this, paste here, and yep. So now you'll be getting the request in.
Oh. Kasi nalang bigisa mo kay Kwan. Ah.
Inputs. So request of $request and do the validation. So guys, we can just copy from above, like to save the time, copy and paste, and here
from the words of Sir T-Dirt, copy paste. Copy paste expert. Magicon na eh. What? Tarao kanaan ang buang.
Here one more field will be adding, that is the username. So it is going to be a string value. And guys, also here in this, just add a unique unique from users table. Comma email column. Okay, now done. And now guys, let's continue with registration. So $user equal to your user model : create function and array. So here you will get the name of $request of name. Copy and paste 3 times, and this will be your email. And for the password, okay, and in this password we have to hash it. So what we'll do, we'll control X, use a hash : make function, and paste that your
method yung hash. Gusto daw, Mike? Oh. Yeah. Woke up today feeling like I won the lotto, but I'm out of here just sitting eating avocado ice candy. Ay, what? Ano sa siya i-truncate? Ano pa i-truncate ang table kaya mag-hash mo man. Gotta check all my passwords. Bye guys. Request yung property na password. Pwede mo hindi siya maguba. No sir. So basically validate Create. Save.
entered password.
Okay,
So
spliff.
it will hash it.
Okay, spliff.
So guys, once the user
gotta
is
go
created,
see it.
let's check in a condition. $user else.
Ah, my bad.
If everything goes good, then you have to create the token. So you can just copy that code like this.
What?
Copy from your login function.
Hindi mo
and paste
i-save.
inside your register.
Oh, ang create save. Wait. Starting to unravel. Good morning. Ah, really? Nothing before that? Also create magic save. Wait. Asa so asa hindi ang create or ang save. Personal preference less than mass assignment, which allows you to quickly dump data into a model that works nicely hand in hand. Ah, personal preference create. Gotta up that guy. Oh my god. Yeah. So actually guys, create loop save. If user is kuan, makimot sa token. Token. Okay, palagin mo siya diretso. Wait, palagin siya diretso?
Success code. Okay, if condition. So inside this case, you are creating a same method of token and passing that, and here registration successful. And also guys, here you can make 2 not 1 because it has created the record. So you can mention that it is created, and let's paste inside the else condition. You can remove this and tell something
Cover dog.
went wrong while registration. And now guys, let us change.
Or Jason pwede na ako. My bad dude. Ano pwede na siya diretso. So ano siya, i-connect naman siya. Minion na. Monitor siya Christmas pero JSON format. And always pretend like it's an object. Something went wrong while registration. Some error occurred.
This response status to 500. Okay, so now guys, we have completed the registration code, and now guys, let us test this login and registration. So before that, I just want to show my database, the user table. So let's move on your database, and here we are guys on this user table. You see we don't have any one record also, and also in this personal access token table we do not have any tokens. Okay, so now guys, let's move back to user table and get started with the registration. So guys, let's open a software called Postman and test the API, manage the login. Check this, or I'll be out to the inside the API filter controller. So inside the logout, I will plan auth. Let us copy
Hindi tanaw kung nag-migrate pa siya.
and just move it.
Kasi matay ko kung dili siya magana, wala tayong migrate. Natay wala
First,
na
we have
migrate.
Grammarly. The free
Table.
version checks basic spelling and
Shut up!
premium.
I don't care.
And here the registration. So guys, let's open a software called Postman and test the API with this help of Postman. Okay, so let me just send a simple
happened? With the 1 hour. Register, guys.
Request here. So here guys, this is the API for getting all the products. So here it is listed and this code is working here.
Oh, so they truncate on table. We gotta do what we gotta do. So so to study API. Ano to? Access tokens. Ah! Ito lang siya truncate, guys. Truncate title. Yusa. Ano ito? Maintenance. Press to create. C. Ito, nag-file hable. Console. Ay, siya, tanong sa natin. Can you make this false? I think. Okay, let me see. What's in here? Register. Let's enter. Install sa pag-convert.
In this API.php we have the route of resource of products REST API. Okay, so now guys, let me just add a middleware here. So we have already connected a middleware.
No, we did not. Okay, profile. Ano post talaga?
Now I just want to push this.
Papit na saya.
Inside your route. Okay, so now it's inside the route of middleware, guys, and let's send it. So here it is telling message unauthorized for your try. So we don't have a first time tab and get started API here. This API, so here is and this is a post request, so you have to select go to this body. So before that, go to your header and add accept application /JSON. Okay, and now you can shift to body.
Okay. Oh, now good one. Oh wait, what? Pwede rin mo ginaan niyo. JSON. Diba? Shit. I keep searching the file.
And it are giving the included in these three name. So I will email validation tag and let's send the request.
Error.
Okay, so here you see, guys, the
Password field is required. Kita na. Try na natin. What? Oh yeah, my bad. Design niyo pa na yun ng Apache. Kailan mo ma-serve? Okay. my god. Still ano sa spelling lubong naman. Yan guys, ano guys. Please clear na ibang file. Sponsors. Kita ba? Coke. Ay, hindi na mga pinanikapoy. Dapat error. Huy! Kita. Sumukan niya. Ang register na ikuan. Ha? So.
Again, and the log go to the auth controller and
Class register. Pasabot yun, ingon siya di pwede. Ano? What? Okay. We are telling you to pair the routes. Fucking things up. Then we gotta serve. Assuming that's running. Let's get to Postman. Send again. Yep, something's wrong. Never mind. Oh. Try to tag send. Hindi na mag-set ang konto. Oh, wow! What the fuck? May certain controller. Okay, thank you. Canada. Look. Fuck out of my sight, please. You register ko weird. Diba niya lang ko basag? Invalidate. Nya wala niya gi-add. Validate niya. So mo post it.
Public, send a request, parent. So guys, and guys, you can see it is this here. So we have already it help of postman. Let it is loud, which means it. And let's send a request. This with API. Basically, if this API is a prefix of the application/JSON. Okay, and now you can shift to body, and then you can select either form data or raw data anyhow. So if you are selecting a raw data, please change this format to JSON and open and close curly brace and start giving the input fields. Okay, so what are the input fields? So let's put plp.com. Okay, so here you see guys, and let's send the request. Okay, so here you see guys, the password.
Ilisan ang bidding.
Yeah, registered on the be.
So it will hash it. So guys, once the user
good. User controller register. First validate. Create.
is created. Let's check in a condition $user else. If everything goes good, then you have to create the token, so you can just copy that code.
Messages from index controller class contact form. Redirect you to the previous route. Come on, man. So you okay? Ano, you know? Try though. Oh! It actually worked. Try catch. Turn it. Oh, nice. Okay.
Like this. Copy from your login function and paste inside your register success code. Okay, if condition. So inside this if, you are creating a same method of token and passing that, and here registration successful. And also guys, here you can make do not one because it has created the record, so you can mention that it is created. And let's paste inside the else condition. You can remove this and tell something went wrong while registration. And now guys, let us change this response status to 500. Okay, so now guys, we have completed the registration here.
Back here.
Also, so this end request, get back and off you.
Don't know what if the input.
Profile of what? The logged in user. So you can, and here the status will be 200.
The profile
It rule
with 1 hour.
profile function.
Bye guys. Wait. So to talo tagpos man ako. Ayan eh. Oh! Sorry. Yes, I need to make it lighter. So, pata sa login.
Here it's mentioned like so. Header /it as JSON. Let me just solve that at time. we have the now like consideration also have what have is error and
Ayan na, check ang
like
token eh.
and
Bahala na
like
siya.
you
And
can
then,
try to get like model recording the integers
oh, log out.
okay, authenticate with you can function
Wait, lagyan mo siya.
and fetched and send the data of what the logged in user. So you can just copy this, paste here. I mean dollar
Profile first.
request of user, and here the status will be 200. Okay, perfect. So now guys, it's a very simple code.
Lock on siya ni. Retrieve.
Now let's get back data like profile the token sender for the and here you see you have a logout code. Let me zoom it, and you have to create a function inside your auth controller, so which you have not created. Now let's go and create a function like public function, the function name logout, open and close curly brace, and now guys you have to get the request. So request of $request. So now guys, let's create one
Ano?
variable user, use the user model ::where condition with first function here. So first record you'll be checking where condition, and inside this you'll be using the authenticated user ID. So basically we are checking the ID column. You can check either ID or email or anything which is matching with the user record. So here I am checking with the user ID authenticated of user ID. Okay, so now guys, if user data is available, then you are coming in and telling that the user model get all the tokens and delete it. Okay, so it will delete all the related tokens with the authenticated user ID. So once deleted, you can send a message. Let me just copy and paste here, and the message will be logged out. Successfully. Okay, and you can remove this data, and in the else condition you can mention like no user found. So let me just copy this and paste here.
Savage ko na eh.
and first change the status like for not for and not found. Okay,
Not
mention
found.
user not found.
Log out
And
one.
now let's get back to your postman, and now let's try with the logout part. Let me copy this API
About
and
more.
paste here and change the API to
Alright.
let me copy this API and paste here and change the API to log
Get
out,
Ramadana.
and this is using a post method. So change this to post method. Let me confirm it once. Go to your api.php and logout route. So here it is using a post method. Okay, so now guys, get back, and to log out you have to give the bearer token. Okay, so let me just copy this bearer token.
What?
Let's copy, get back to the logout API and go in the authorization. So before authorization, I want to
Hassle.
give the
Dagan na kayo siya button para sa logout. So basically, ang concept kay kuhaonin mo ang user. Delete a token. It goes out.
header accept token.
Please don't scroll.
Nice.
Listen to me.
Shut up. So, that's our session for today. Learning API tokens in Sanctum. Don't like it, I prefer the other one. But anyways, that's it guys. Thank you for watching.